who is in the war torn. May Allah bless them. Wow. Best regards to Omar Lassa, Mascara, Algeria. And the last letter, but it's quite long. I have here around, oh my goodness, 7 pages. From Yunnan, from Zhejiang province, people of Republic of China. Dear English section of the Voice of Turkey. Hello, I am a shortwave listener from China. I am a Spanish translator. Thanks for your kHz cuts of January and April of 2019. I can see the beautiful view of ancient fortress and the great palace of Istanbul. I visited the UNESCO World Heritage Site, Mount Jianglang, located in the Jiangxi city, Zhejiang province, China. It belongs to Danxia landform. I went to the top of the mountain and enjoyed the beautiful panorama in the autumn. I enclosed some photos taken by my camera, Canon. Please see the attachment if you can. Please send me a kHz card of October. Thank you. Let me see the photos. Yes, I can see. Yeah, Mount Jianglang, and with a beautiful lake. Oh my goodness, how you can climb on the top of this mountain? Oh my goodness. Wow, very lovely road. It's full of trees, full of flowers. Yes. Wow, I can see the photos. You have sent us around 6, 7, 8 photos. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much for sharing with us these lovely photos, dear Lu Dancheng from China. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Best regards to Lu Dancheng. Thank you. Thank you. As usual, we have to remain within the time limits and finish our program at this point. Before we go, let me remind you of our contact addresses. Our postal address is English Desk, TRT Voice of Turkey, Postbox 333, Yenişehir, Ankara, US6443, Turkey. Our email address is English Desk, trt.net.tr. Until we come back with another letterbox program in 2 weeks' time, I love all of you from my heart. Goodbye.